Hello friends, welcome to civil engineering exam. Today we are going to see the problem related with environmental engineering in the topic of population forecasting. So the problem is the population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given in the table. Find out the population after 1, 2, 3 decades beyond the last known decades. So the last known decade is 1970, that is 47,000. By using the arithmetic increase method. So basically we are using the arithmetic increase method for find out the population for next decades. Okay, so the year is given 1930, 1940, 1950 and 1960 and 1970. So the corresponding population also given, that is 25,000, 28,000, 34,000 and 42,000, then 47,000. Okay, so now we can find out the increasing population and x bar value. Okay, so x bar value is the average increasing population per decade. Okay, so now we can write it as the year 1930, then 1940, 1950, 1960, 1970. Okay, so the corresponding population is 25,000, then 28,000, then 34,000, then 42,000, then 47,000. Okay, so now the increasing in population, so the increasing in population is 300. So to 28,000 minus 25,000, that is 3,000. Okay, so the 3,000, then 34,000 minus 28,000, the value will be 6,000. Okay, so then here is 8,000. So here 5,000. So now the cumulative of increasing in population is 22,000. So now we have to find out the x bar value, that is average increase in population per decade. So that is x bar equal to 22,000 divided by 4. Okay, so there are 4 decades, so divided by 4, that is equal to 5,500. Okay, so this is the x bar value. So now we can easily calculate the population forecasting, that is P n equal to P naught plus n into x bar. Okay, so now we can take P, the first population is 1980. Okay, so the first decade is 1970, last decade is 1970, then first decade is 1980. Okay, so now equal to P naught is last decade population, that is P 1970 plus n. So n value is 1, so the 1 decade, so next 1 decade, so 1 into x bar. Okay, so now 47,000 plus 1 into 5,500. Okay, so now population at 1980 will be 52,500. Okay, so next thing is second population, that is P 1990, that is equal to 1970. The population is 47,000 plus the n value is 2, because here 1970 is the last known population, here 1990, so there are 2 decades. Okay, so 2 into x bar value is 5,500. Okay, so solving this we got the value of 58,000. Okay, so the population forecasting in 1990 is 58,000. Okay, so likewise we can calculate the third decade. Okay, so third decade beyond the last known decade. So now P 2000. Okay, so now again 47,000 plus 3 decades. Okay, so 3 into 5,500. Okay, so now the population of 2000 will be 63,500. Okay, so this is the method we can solve the problem. Again, we'll see next video. Thank you.